friends! Today we're going to draw a lion. Let's begin by drawing this round oval shape for the head of the lion. Great! Now we're going to draw 2 ears. 1 and 2. Great! We're going to draw his eyes closed because he's sleeping. Shh! Let's give him a cute nose and a smile. Let's draw a big round circle around the head of the lion. This is what's called the lion's mane. Let's wake up the lion. Wakey, wakey! Now we're going to draw straight lines from the head to the outside circle.
Hi friends! Stick around after we color our lion to learn today's colors together with me, Bo Bunny.
Keep going! You're doing a great job! A lion has got 4 legs, but for this picture, we're just going to draw the 2 ones that we see. Now let's do the back, down to the bottom of his leg, and let's draw his tail. This is looking really great, guys. It's time to outline our drawing with a thick black marker.
Let's color!
Now it's time to give our lines some color. I'm using light brown, or in Italian we say marrone chiaro. I'm starting by coloring in his ears and then going around the borderline of his face. You can pause the video if you need more time. Be careful going around his nose and mouth. Can you roar like a lion? Let me hear you. Wow, that was scary. We finished the head, and now it's time to do the part of the body. The main section of the lion. Yet again, I'm doing the borderline first. And then I'm just fast-forwarding the coloring part. What color are you using to color in your lion? Are you using light brown or a different color?
Here we go, and get ready for the big surprise.
I like to use markers when I'm coloring my art. Do you like to use markers or paint? I think this lion is super friendly. Look at his smiling face. To color in his tail and the fur around his head, I'm using dark brown, or in Italian, marrone scuro. I'm coloring each section of his mane dark brown. But imagine if you use different color for each section. It would be like a rainbow lion. That would be so cool, wouldn't it? Maybe next time we can color in a rainbow lion. You guys are doing a fantastic job. I love it. We've nearly finished. Let's do the last section and the inside of his ear. Great job!
Let's learn! This color is light brown. Can you say light brown? Great! Let's say it again. Light brown. Light brown in Italian is marrone chiaro. Let's say it again. Marrone chiaro. Perfetto! This is a light brown bear. Questo è un orso marrone chiaro. Let's see what the next color is. This color is dark brown. Can you say dark brown? Awesome! Let's say it again. Dark brown. Dark brown in Italian is marrone scuro. Let's say it again. Marrone scuro. Molto bene! This is dark brown chocolate. Questo è cioccolato marrone scuro. Well, friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, take a look at our How to Draw an Easy Ball. And please, ask a grown-up to subscribe for more fun bilingual drawing videos for kids. See you in the next video. Bye!